Hi, good morning, all. This is SK. Doing this video after such a long time. There are so many friends on Twitter, like they have been asking me, SK, if you can do the videos again. So, how do I look at the market at this point? Like at a very crucial point. Few side of the market, people are saying that it's a bounce from oversold, and we can see much lower. And some side they are saying, like okay, we have seen the bottom and all. I believe that like we should be able to make money. Doesn't matter which way the market is going, and we should be able to predict the some move of the market where where the probability is higher. If you guys remember, if you guys follow me on my Twitter account, stock market with SK, this date here, this candle here, I was long on 22nd. I was long, and I bought some calls, and I then I sold my calls. What was the reason here? It was the second entry. It was the second entry long here. We saw the pullback, but pullback came and made a support here. Then there is another attempt. These tails here, you can see these 2 days tails, and I was very bullish here. As like a 5 minute, 10 minute, 15-minute chart can show some pullbacks and all that, but as long as they are holding the support, we are long. So this was the strong breakout we see, and with the breakout yesterday I was long. So many messages, so many emails. Ask if you can explain why you were thinking it's going to be a trend day. It was very simple. Like we reach at the 50% pullback from the breakout, new week, new month, and it was let me have a weekly for you guys. I mean, tail, follow through, and not even a 50% pullback. So for me right now, if we go above 195, I'm sorry, guys. If we go above 195.06, my next target is 198ish. The better target can be about 201.89. That's why I will sell some of my positions, some of my calls on SPY by 197.8, something like that. But we need to see above 195.06. Let's say we get a pullback here. There is a possibility that this this candle here, this candle here, and this candle here, we see double top and see some kind of a pullback, and that pullback for me will be another another chance to buy a pullback, as this tail is very strong, as this breakout is very strong, and next weekly we are looking to go up, higher here. Let's look at the monthly. I mean, look at monthly. Like this tail is all the bounce, all the buying from bulls. Like once we reach this support, so we poked a little bit below the support, but like we saw this kind of a follow through buying, pullback possible, but overall we need to test a little bit higher before we can decide we going up or we going down. As of now, it's a monthly chart, so it's a big period. 20 trading days, a lot can happen, and as of now my focus is on either on weekly or daily. From daily, like possible pullback here, we can see some kind of a trading range here, like for a few days, like we saw it here. Something similar to this we can experience here, and like we can go for the next leg up. Overall I'm bullish, like but if like I do not want this guy to pull back below 191.81ish. I will be then I might close some of my positions, long positions, or I might look for some short positions in weaker stocks. But as of now, definitely long, going up, going above. If we can hold about 191, 192 ish for me here. How do I take my day today? Like Let's go to the 5 minute. You can see, like we saw this kind of a sell off. The overall global market is weak. Like Indian market, European market. We saw some kind of a weakness in the market today, last night. But I think this is just shake for weak bulls who might gonna take off the positions and going to leave some gains on the table. As of now, I'm bullish. Like I'm looking for at least around 200 very soon. So, I'm long as of now. I will be taking some examples here. Like on a daily chart. There are a few stocks I'm watching right now. First of all, like I only have 134 stocks which I'm focusing on. I do not scan every day. Like there are a few people, there are a few institutions or websites, or there are a few people who are teaching to scan every day, find every day a new stock. The stock market, after all the homework you do, the stock market needs conviction. The stock market needs your confidence to invest your hard-earned money to make money. So I mean, like having a new stock every day and looking for breakouts and this and that can really give you a lot of information, which is very difficult for a swing trader who has a 9 to 5 job. It's very difficult for them to focus on it. So the best thing is to have few stocks. You add minus few stocks a month in the same list and make money from them. Like I will be sharing my open positions and closed positions very soon. And like you'll be looking at the same guy I'm trading every day. Let's say PSX. Like let me let me show you PSX. I mean, this is a guy I have bought, sold, so many times, so many times. I mean, over here, if you see, I mean, these are my notes which I always write, to see, if this guy comes in my watch list next time, whoever was buying or not. Like you see, like Mr. Warren Buffett buying in August, September, 3% on 79. His average cost is 63. So these are the notes, these are the homework I do before even I buy. This guy I have made good money. I'm again invested. I bought this guy on 29th, and I'm above about $3-4 on this guy. And this guy I have traded in last a week or week and a half or 2 weeks at least three times. I'm buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high. If Mr. Warren Buffett is buying about a million, 2 million shares a day, and he's accumulating, I even shared on my Twitter account, he's accumulating, this guy. So I'm, like, I'm trusting him. I'm trusting the chart I'm looking at. Like this guy is ready for breakout, and we can see about my target is 88ish. Like, but like it can see some kind of a resistance about 84 9ish. Like I will be selling some positions very soon about 81 82ish. So these are the guys which we should focus on, and not look for new guys every day. Right now I'm looking at few stocks here. Like this is a second entry long. Like looking into this is the guy I wanted to buy here at this date, but I did not. I could not. Because I was focused. I was buying few other things, so that's fine too. Like sometimes I miss a lot, but I don't mind, because what I'm buying, I'm very positive. I do my homework on it. I do not buy random stocks every day. I do not search for random stocks every day. I have a few limited stocks which set up many times in a month for me to make good return. Like that's all I do. That's what I focus on. Like this guy here. HRB. This was a second entry long here. And you see it just break out. These are the guys which I have in my list. They are buying. This is the guy I might be buying today. BMO. Looking very promising. This is a breakout pullback. Win, this guy is making a good support here, like above the major support, which is 549ish. Three times we bounced from here, and right now this sell-off was from the weak market, not from something going bad with the stock. So this guy above this trend line, here, this is a buy for me. I mean, this guy can give me good return. Like very focused on this guy. So I mean, Win. If you see Win, like Win is a stock which I have made money in last few months at least 5 6 times. Same stock. I don't want to research for stocks over and over again and get confused. There is no fun in that. We should have life beyond stock market as well. And at the end of the day, there are 5,000 stocks in the market. Which one? How many you can choose and how many you can trade? There, I mean, there are people. I'm making money. I mean, I'm a good example for a day trading. I'm just trading one e-mini. Like thanks to Mr. Albrook. Like he taught me that, and I have good relations with him. I often send him emails and like talk to him. He's my mentor. Like he's a great guy. He's a great guy to listen to. He's not arrogant. He's very humble. So he's there to teach us. I have learned from him. So I'm also coming up with my course. Like which I'll be showing you very soon. So VRX, like this guy is trying to bottom here and trying to go for the next leg up. This guy, it was in the air long time back. We were buying, we were trying to do all that. I believe the CEO changed as well on this. But the thing is, this stock should not be left alone. Like these are the stocks which going to make us good money as the fundamentals are strong. Only the weak market has given us some pullback, but this guy has an opportunity to go back to 240, 260. So I'm looking into these guys over and over again every day. Now see Buba, like I wanted to buy yesterday, but I was not sure. I might be buying this guy very soon and looking for some good gain. Like see these tails. This is a second entry long here. Let's see. Now this guy, this is a second entry long. I'm making my course where you can see exactly where is the second entry. This was bulls were trying, accumulating, bounced back, made a double bottom for us. This was bulls closing at the high with the good volume, and that's what we saw. Now Tesla is a guy I might be buying calls today or sometime soon. APC is a guy, like this was a second entry pullback tail, looking good as of now. Energy sector, let's see what they have for us coming soon. Car is another good candidate which is showing some life here but not very strong. This is a leg one, leg two. So after leg two, we want to see a good consolidation, at least second, third entry long. After at least 2 to 4 or about 5 days more. Let's see what it has. Like this guy can go a little higher here. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just having a bad throat today. And you guys can follow me on my Twitter account, Stock Market with SK, where I mostly share my trades. Like what I'm thinking. Like over here, if you see, this is the Globex short 4 hour. Like very good consolidation here. This was the bottom we saw here, and now I'm looking for the next leg up, and possibly we can see these are the resistances we are facing, which is about 150, and then we have 2014 15 over here. This is our website, guys, which is coming very soon. Like I just want to give you overall look on it, how it going to look. This is going to give us our recent trades. Like we what's our approach and services on it. on it. It's going to we're coming up with two courses, like, which is a day trading as a profession, not a day trading that you lose money, make money, lose money, make money. We're gonna focus on it. You guys gonna make money as I look at the market. Like, I'm not gonna recommend 100 hours or 200 hours of study material and then do it. I'm gonna give my vision, my thoughts, my ideas in a very very simple way, so that like you can apply into your day-to-day life. Very simple, few things we look for a day. We're not looking for 100 trades a day, we're looking for few trades a day, and make most of our money before noon, before the third hour ends in the stock market. And I'm gonna do my swing trading. I will be sharing my thoughts, my watch list with you guys in the swing trade, where you can see the most important part of the swing trade is going to be the watch list we will be sharing with you guys. Like, in this watch list we're gonna have bullish and bearish, in which you can see the stocks I'm looking at, what I'm gonna do, what when I'm buying, when I'm selling, everything. Like, everything you can look into it. Like, recent trades, I'm entering most of my trades here. These are my open positions as of now, which I have taken on 29th January. Like, why on 29th and 28th January? It can easily be seen by um oh, what happened to this guy? So, like, most of my trades, I'm going long on 28th and 29th. This is 28th, this is 29th. So when the market is showing me bullish price action, I'm going long. I'm buying this. Like, on 28th I have opened one, two, three, four positions I have opened on 24th, and I'm in green in every of them. On 29th I opened one position as well, like, so which is PSX again. This guy, these are all my positions which I have taken lately. Something is going on with the date. We will be fixing these dates. But on 21st again I took a few positions. There are few days in the market. Every day we cannot take position. Every day it's not that I'm going to scan for a swing trade, breakout, this, that. There has to be a conviction. There has to be not. I don't like saying maybes. If I'm trusting a stock, if I'm trusting a move, I'm going for it. I'm buying it. And what I'm buying, that's what I'm sharing with you guys. It's not that I buy something, I buy Facebook, I buy any of the Apple or something, and I'm not sharing with you guys. What I'm sharing with you guys, they are mostly in losses. Doesn't make sense to me. Like, I should be 100% transparent here. Like, what I'm exactly buying, what I'm looking into, what I'm doing. Like Facebook, I was invested in Facebook. It's at 114 right now, but I missed that move. That's fine. Missing a move doesn't matter. Like, it's all matter is, how good we are with our trades, and how good we are managing. And we will be having a timeline as well, where you guys can, we're still testing few things here. You guys can chat and everything, I can share with you guys. So overall we are almost there with our website as well. So everything looking good. We are here to make money. I'm here to share everything what I have learned from great guys like Mr. Al Brooks, not from few guys who share few things with you, and try to I mean, I believe that if we give a good information, if we give a simple information which is easy to adapt in your day-to-day life, that makes sense. And we are here to make money. We're not here to do scans like, this scan, that scan, all 9 yards. I mean, we really don't want to do that. We should have few stocks, like, let's say 50, 60, 100 stocks in our watch list. Every day we are watching those, and we're looking whenever they set up again, just buy and sell, buy and sell. It's very simple. Like, over here, if you see, like, if you see here in the recent stocks, like Walmart, PayPal, DE, Microsoft, Vine, TNI, I bought it yesterday. uh, you see it's saying Jan 2. It should not be saying that. It should be February 2nd. So, like this PSX, this guy here, PSX here, PSX here, same guys, RCO, ABC, Apple, mostly these are the same guys, CPA, MGA, Netflix, Nike, we Walmart, Wine. I'm buying similar stocks every time and trying to trade them again and again because they are setting up again. It's very simple. Like buy low, sell high, breakouts, and you will understand more once our courses are out. So I'm looking here. I'm hoping to make good money with you guys very soon. Today I'm bullish as of now, as I discussed. So let's let's have the market open about 9:30ish. Like right now in the pre-market uh, we are trying to bounce here. I think we can see some kind of a bounce at open and then trading range. We might see some kind of a trading range here as the price action is saying, looking into some resistance here, which is about 195.06. Like after this breakout, the next target will be 198, and then we can go up. Is market going up, higher, or lower? I do not know. I'm here to make money. The price action told us here that we should go long. Right now, the price action is going neutral. We have a tail at the bottom, we have a tail at the top. So like it was not an indecision day, but both were powerful. Like all day bulls were buying, at the end we saw the sell off. Like, and right now we will be gapping a little bit down. We can see some pullback, we can retest 190, but I do not want this guy to go below 191ish. So let's see what we have. I'm bullish as of now. For me to go bearish on this, we really have to go below 187 because we have seen these kind of tails here and a good breakout with good volume. So bullish as of now. Let's see what market have for us. Good luck everybody, and I'll see you soon on my Twitter account. On my Twitter account, I mostly mention like the breakouts and all that. Like yesterday in the morning, I was let's go. Okay, a bigger picture. I'm long. So why I was long? There was a guy who mentioned me, who asked me about that. It's very simple. Let's go to the 5 minute chart here. 5 minute. If we go back here, I'm in 5 minute chart. I was overall I was long here. Like I believe it was here. Yes. Overall, I was long here. If you see this pullback here, this pullback is just reaching the 50%. It's reaching the 50% of the breakout, and these tails are good, like good for the bears. We might see there are too much selling going on, but these sellers are not taking the price much lower. There is not breakout coming here. Bulls are trying, bears trying to sell it off. Bulls are trying, and on a daily chart we were long. On daily chart, we were long. So sometimes we need to see at a daily chart few times a day to see where do we stand in a daily positions, in a daily position. And sometimes we see pullback in 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute chart, but that pullback is just a pullback from a breakout. This pullback was a pullback from a breakout if we look at the daily chart. It was just a pullback, 50% pullback here from this breakout. So I was long. Good luck everybody. Long as of now. Let's see what market have for us, and we'll go from there.